The San Francisco 49ers opened the 2013 season at home against the Green Bay Packers. The Niners are currently a 4.5-point favorite on BetDAQ, 48.5 the total in this game. We all remember what happened the last time these two teams met on this very same field. Back in January, the divisional round of the playoffs, everything on the line, and it wasn't a fluke, it wasn't a coin flip situation. The better team won. San Francisco dominated the game, really pushed Green Bay around, and what exactly has happened in the months between then and now to make me believe that we're going to see anything different here on Sunday? Green Bay hasn't played a football game since then, and there hasn't been a dramatic overhaul of their roster by any means. San Francisco has played some football since then, looked very good since then, winning the NFC Championship game and then almost winning the Super Bowl. Their core personnel returns. The same things hold true now that held true then. San Francisco is going to be able to run the ball, and there's nothing Green Bay can do about it. The Packers finished 17th in the NFL in rush defense last year, but that number is distorted. They're actually worse than that because teams don't run the ball very much against the Packers because the Packers score so many points themselves. A lot of times teams fall behind and feel like they have to pass the ball to catch up. So the fact that the Packers rank 17th in rush defense would lead you to believe that the truth behind their rush defense, if they didn't have their offense to pad the stats on the other side, they're probably a little worse than that, and they certainly looked worse than that, allowing 181 rushing yards to Colin Kaepernick, a quarterback record. No quarterback had ever rushed for that many yards in any NFL game. 181 yards Kaepernick put on the Packers. Now, I have no doubt the Packers are not going to let him embarrass them like that again, but the 49ers, their offensive line with Frank Gore, with that devastating blocking scheme, and Kaepernick, and the read option package, they're going to be able to run it right at the Green Bay Packers. There's nothing Green Bay can do about it. I do expect the Green Bay offense to score a little bit in this game. They're a great offense, but San Francisco might be a greater defense. 49ers third in the league in total defense last year, and when they played Green Bay, that secondary really seemed to push around those Green Bay wide receivers and limit Aaron Rodgers' options. So I think the respect for Aaron Rodgers and the Green Bay offense is what is keeping this line where it is. I think the proper line here should probably be San Francisco -7 or 7.5. So I think they are a good bet at -4.5.